Hi viewers, today we have to start a new course, Quantitative Aptitude and Reasoning. This is a very important course for all those who have applied for commissioning in several institutes or in forces. This is equally important for all students who are seeking admission in colleges and in universities. And if you are applying for banks jobs, civil services commission, any other job, so this is equally important for all those participants. Quantitative aptitude and reasoning is everywhere. If we are applying for something, so the first test which appears to be is the quantitative aptitude and the reasoning. So today we just have to review the contents of this course. So this course is divided into two parts. In the first part we have to discuss quantitative aptitude, and in the second part we have to discuss reasoning. And in the reasoning further we have three categories: general mental ability, logical deduction, and non-verbal reasoning. In the first part, quantitative aptitude, we have the chapters HCF and LCM, permutation and combination, probability, ratio and proportion, percentage, average, problem based on ages, profit and loss, squares and square roots, cubes and cube roots, series, progression and sequence, fractions, elementary algebra 1, algebra 2, partnership, simple interest, compound interest, time and work, work and wages, pipes and cistern, irrigation, problems on trains, boats and streams, elementary mensuration 1 and 2, problems on clock, problems on calendar, time and distances, heights and distances, trigonometry, odd man out and series, data sufficiency, data analysis, mathematical operations, divisibility, number system, arithmetical reasoning, simplification, races and games, stocks and shares, discount and logarithm. It means all the concepts related to quantitative aptitude will be covered here, and we will discuss it with detail and with examples. And also I also explain its shortcut methods, that how to find out the solution with a fraction of seconds. Okay, in the second part we will discuss reasoning. The first section of the reasoning part is general mental ability. It includes the chapter analogy, classification, series completion, coding and decoding, blood relations, puzzle test, direction sense test, logical Venn diagrams, number ranking and time sequence test, decision making, assertion and reason, situation reaction test, mathematical operations, inserting the missing one, and logical sequence of words. Section B is of logical deduction. It includes the chapter logic, statements and arguments, statements and assumptions, statements and course of action, statements and conclusions, deriving conclusions from passages. Non-verbal reasoning section includes series, analogy, classification, analytical reasoning, problems on cubes and dice, mirror images, water images, and rule detection. And in the last, some model test paper. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching this video. And this is just the start of a new course. And I think you people enjoyed this video. In the coming video, we will discuss the chapters discussed here in the content one by one on weekly basis. This is a very important course for all people who are looking for job in civil institutes or in military institutes, or for students who are seeking admission in colleges and in universities. This is a very useful and very important course. So please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends, promote it for further coming videos.